here in Southwest Arizona to showcase to the media the 2025 Rmax 1000 lineup. We have every model, every trim level, so they're going to be able to go out there, see the differences between all the vehicles, but even more so, the all-new enhancements to the 2025 lineup, including all-new brakes, all-new suspension settings, the all-new Adventure Pro, the all-new differentials that we have. So you have quick engagement for diff lock, disengagement for diff lock, selectable EPS. This is the perfect place to be able to showcase it, for we have a lot of hill climbs, a lot of descents, a lot of really tough, gnarly rock climbs too, that I'm really excited to get them out on the trails, experiencing it, just to be able to showcase how proven off-road, how versatile that these vehicles are.
Between the 24 and 25, it's a definitely noticeable difference. Good to see that, you know, models out for 3 or 4 years and then they revised a bunch of stuff that they can improve on. They made the car even better than it was. They updated the diff. The diff engages much more smoother, much quicker.
Which was really handy on the trail. Just pull up to that nasty rock section, flip it in diff lock. We had a lot of confidence it would be really smooth and get you those all 4 tires pulling with the same amount of torque all the time.
Makes going up rocks, anything you want that diff lock on, that much easier. You don't have to slow down nearly as much. You can just flick it right in there, get going up the obstacle.
The biggest deal is the fact that when you put it in diff lock, the power steering goes into another mode where it's providing way more boost. You really don't feel it in the steering wheel, which isn't usually the case.
Again, the confidence you have in the new brake system, that more initial bite, they're also smoother and quieter, provide great feel through the pedal.
The Adventure Pro system was so easy to use. I'm not the most technically savvy guy, but I learned to like that. Was able to hook up my phone easily. Loved the suspension. It was really incredible. And we hit some good bumps, just ate it up nicely.
We've got all that travel, 14.2 inches in the front, 16.9 inches in the rear on the 2 and the 4. On the 4 compact, again, it was really highlighting the suspension travel, the increased comfort we have, and the smoother damping character we have.
This is really just a great combination of a trail and the vehicle.
I think the biggest takeaway, honestly, is that Yamaha is offering more choice, and more choice is always a good thing.
We just wrap things up here. It was really cool to see the media go through every single model, every single trim, and really understand the subtle nuances between each and see the benefits that each one had when we're out there on the trail. It really got to showcase the vehicle overall. It's so awesome when the media just really realizes their adventure at the end of the day. The vehicles are able to have them do that, and they just had a wonderful time all together.